Hey Techie fam! In today's video, we'll be discussing the common symptoms of a bad idle air control valve and some maintenance tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's dive in. Symptoms of a bad idle air control valve. 1. Rough idle. If your engine is idling roughly or inconsistently, it could be a sign of a faulty idle air control valve. 2. Stalling. Your vehicle may stall or have difficulty starting if the idle air control valve is malfunctioning. 3. High idle speed. An abnormally high idle speed can indicate a problem with the idle air control valve. 4. Poor fuel efficiency. A bad idle air control valve can cause your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual. 5. Check engine light. The check engine light may illuminate on your dashboard if there is an issue with the idle air control valve. Maintenance tips. 1. Cleaning. Regularly clean the idle air control valve to prevent buildup of dirt and debris. 2. Inspection. Check the idle air control valve for any signs of wear or damage. 3. Replacement. If you notice any of the symptoms mentioned earlier, consider replacing the idle air control valve to avoid further damage to your vehicle. By being aware of the symptoms of a bad idle air control valve and following these maintenance tips, you can ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Techie tips. See you in the next video.